Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is our part 3 video, SAP FICO interview question and answers. Already we covered topics like general SAP FICO interview questions, APP related interview questions, and EBSC related questions and Dunning process related. Now we are discussing about FI MM integration interview questions with answers. Let's discuss the question and answers for FI MM integrations. How does SAP FI integrate with SAP MM? SAP FI integrated with SAP MM to ensure seamless financial tracking of inventory movements and procurement process. When goods are procured, received, or invoiced, FI automatically posts the accounting entries based on MM transactions. Like key integration points are like goods receipt, invoice receipt. Okay. Next question. What are the key accounting entries in FI MM integration? The key integration like in MM activity goods receipt and invoice receipt. While goods receipt we have accounting entry like inventory account debit to GRR account is credit. While invoice receipt GRR clearing account debit to vendor account is credit. These entries are automatic and are controlled via obyc account determination process in the obyc. This is defined. Okay. We can see this settings in obyc. Like if you go to 2030 table, you're all able to see all related this standard table. This is you're able to see all entries here. Okay. In obyc, these are the transaction type like bsx for inventory posting, wrx for grr clearing account related, wrx you can see here. Next question, what is the impact of gr, goods receipt and invoice receipt? Okay, while while a goods receipt happening, increase the inventory, like we will get the inventory, right? This is asset, create a liability placeholder on GRIR clearing account. This is a temporary account. We'll create the temporary account like GRIR clearing account. While IR impact, clears the GRIR clearing account. Whatever we clear, uh, created here temporary account, we will clear that account and post the actual payable to the vendor. We'll post the vendor actual related postings here. This ensures three-way matching between PO and GR and IR for accurate financial reporting purpose. Okay. What is the accounting entry for goods receipt? While when goods are received, the system posts like inventory account debit to GRIR clearing account is credit. Like inventory is debited, asset increase, and GRIR credited. This is temporary account. This is liability, temporary liability. What is the accounting entry for invoice receipt? When invoice is received, GRIR clearing account debit to vendor account is credit. This is GRIR account is cleared here. You can see, and the vendor is payable credited. Actual liability is credited here. Next question. What are the key account determination settings in FI MM integration? Like already I showed you in the system, like the account determination configuration layer obyc. Transaction keys are BSX, inventory account related GLs we will give here, WRX, GRI clearing GLs we will GBB consumption related, and valuation class and valuation grouping chart of account. Valuation class is linked to the material master. Valuation grouping code is plant and company code. Based on plant and company, it is linked to chart of accounts. This mapping ensure the right GL account are picked during the postings. If you give the proper GL accounts here, then only it will pick from here while happening the GR and IR postings. Okay. What is the purpose of transaction obyc in FI MM integration? obyc is the central configuration point. This is the main FI MM integration, this is the main part of configuration we'll do. Automatic GL account assignments are defined for the MM transactions. Automatically GL account pick from here. You assign GL account based on transaction key, valuation class, valuation grouping code. Transaction key is BSX RRX. BSX is RRX here. If you click here, BSX, uh, chart of accounts is there. Here valuation class is based on material master, valuation grouping, and account. This is the listing grouping based on plant and company code, and this is the account we'll mention here. Okay. You assign GL account, transaction key, valuation class, valuation group. This enables seamless automatic posting during the goods and invoice moments. What are the valuation classes and how do they define FI MM integration? The answer is valuation class is linked to material type. To the relevant GL accounts, it is maintained in the material master. Material master level it will maintain and in used in obyc to determine correct GL account. Okay. For example, raw material is valuation class is 3000, finished goods valuation class is 7920. Difference different valuation class post to the different inventory and consumption accounts. Okay. How does price control impact on FI? Like a standard price we have, moving average price we have. While doing standard price, the impact in FI is like price variance are posted separate to the price difference account. Price difference accounts it will post. Okay. When moving average prices, inventory value update with the each GR, no price difference unless major fluctuations. Here the price difference will post standard. Here no price difference unless major fluctuations will be there. It will not post. Maintain in material master costing to. In a material master costing to it will be maintained. What is the impact of material ledger on FI postings? Material ledger is enabled multi-currency and actual postings for materials. This is enabled for multi-currency related multi-currencies we use in that only it will post actual costing for materials. Impacts on records price variance and actual cost. The impact is price variances and actual cost. Enhance inventory valuation accuracy. Enhance inventory valuation accuracy. Revaluates inventory during month-end closing. Month-end closing we'll use and works closely to FI and CO. This required for S4HANA and beneficial for detailed costings. This is based on costing related mostly. This is FISD integration we will see in next video. Thank you very much.